Morning garden. It feels good out here. Look at these. These trees are starting to blossom out. These are peach trees. A lot of them. Look at that, man. All over here. Blossoming out there. My water system there. Still disconnected in case we get any cold days. I should hook it up, but I don't trust it. But we're going to see. Look at all these blossoms. Make you feel like it's almost time, but let's go up here and take a, this is the main garden up here. We're gonna take a, what we call a soil test. Soil temperature. Then we got the peat moss down with the raspberries, blueberries. It's been a long night. I just got off work. Oh my goodness. Before we take them, let's look over here. They're my neighbor's cherry bush that I gave them some years ago. Look at it, it's all completely blossomed out. They were closed up about a day or 2 days ago. And there go my Santa Rose. It's acting crazy. Wow. And I'm using a lot more garden space this year, folks. I'm acting crazy this year. I'm just letting you know. There's my beautiful pear tree, Bartlett. Oh, look at this, look at this. I put some, a little bit of fertilizer around it. Maybe about, a day or two ago. And this one here was never cared for, never done anything. In other words, this seed found its way. Might have fell out of my pocket, might have been one that just was here. Wow, look at that. Oh, look at all of the raspberry little plants starting to come out. I put a little fertilizer in them when I was out here that day. So I think I might do a little bit more. Look at that, look at these here. See all that at the base? I just got one of my messages from my comments. Said, what's going on with the branches and stuff at the base of the tree? I said, they're doing fine, basically. That's what I do. All right, let's see what your soil temperature is. Anywhere in here, I can take a test. 50 degrees, interesting. Let's go over here near these collard greens. Look at that. They're coming up like crazy. Collard greens, pretty. Mm, 53. Okay, up here in my little makeshift plant box. 53 degrees. All right. Morning gardener out here taking some information. Now this is the cherry tree. This one never ever blooms. Well, it never ever makes cherries. See that? Never makes cherries out. It doesn't have a proper mate. This is a black Tartarian or Tartellini. That's it. And over here I had to cut back because the cats killed a lot of this. This is the cats like messing with what are these things called? Kiwi. They love messing with it. I had to cut a lot back, folks. Look at it. It's almost one single stick almost. You see there's a little bit of it up there. All right. There is my Santa Rose. Got it. It's already breaking out. I learned something from this. This is the first one that's going to come out every year. And it's about 2.5, 3 years old. See? Santa Rose, beautiful. And this one over here, this is a pear tree. This is a, I don't understand this sucker. It's got thorns on it. And I cut it down. That sucker there is about 6 feet tall. This one here is a little over 6 feet tall. the Santa Rose. I keep them all about 6 feet tall. I don't want nothing in here real tall. Okay. What is this? Oh, this is a Stanley. See, she's trying to bud out too. But she's my tallest one. I want this to come down some, so I'm gonna do a little clip into it today. This is one of my pear trees. You can see it's ready to rock and roll. It's ready to go. Down at the base, see what I did? See all the litter down there from trimmings and cuttings. See all the chop and drop down here. This is all biomass. This has all been trimmed down by me. And see all of this other tree here. See all the wood at the base. And there's a lot of trees in here, folks. It's about 25 trees. And then we got I see the raspberries are starting to break out. I'm cleaning up out here right now. Just make sure I get some of this trash out of the yard. So when I do shoots, and the trash came from blowing all over the place during the winter. When you're in a city, it blows from other people's property. See right there? Big buds. Leaf buds look like to me. Alright. Look at this, folks. This is how you save money. Okay, now we did that. We're gonna found this little half empty, well mostly empty bag at the in there wherever there's scraps. It was made from a company. Not measured, just added. There you go. Move that around in there like that. Really kind of mix it well. Because I forgot to put it in there when I put the stuff together. So the next batch I make, I won't forget that. There you go. No big deal. This is no big deal. People make this stuff out to be brain surgery and tell you all that stuff and say, oh, by the way, buy my book, buy my e-tape. You can't grow nothing without it. You can't learn this without me giving you that book or that e-tape. There we go. Does that not look pretty? Anyone you want to do in the comments, put it up there pretty. That's pretty. And it didn't cost nothing. They got some of this stuff cost $40 a bundle for what is it? $40, $50. They get whatever they can get off of you. Alright, let's just gonna add some water to this. I'm making this out no brain surgery. This is simple. You can make pancakes, you can make this. Pancakes from scratch. Now I'm gonna let that soak in and see where I'm at with the watering. I don't want to add too much. As soon as I came out here, a helicopter's above. Well, I still got some good news. In this mess we're in, we still got some good news, folks. You know what this is, right? Somebody tell me. That's spinach. Please leave comments. Please leave comments. It's fun to read the comments. This is Swiss chard. This is Swiss chard. This is a red, I think it's scarlet. And that's your standard giant. Look at this right here. Spinach. Oh. I'm just looking at it because there's some of these in here, like these are really full. There are the noble. The ones that look like elongated, they haven't put on their true leaves yet. I'll put them in last. Those are the nobles. Nobles. And I'm going to put them in bigger pots. These pans were just starter containers. Some old meat trays. I said, I'm not throwing these meat trays away. They look like they can do something for me. And these are doing okay. They've been out here all day in the cold. It's been about 46 degrees. Yep. Oh, spinach, folks. Never had much success from them, but I'm learning. Now these right here turn a little yellow, which tell me it's time to feed. They're a little low in nitrogen. Well, folks, this is what I'm left with. These have been out here 1 hour, and they can go back in because they're doing pretty good. Now, one of these is a mixture of noble spinach and just another variety of spinach. So 2 different varieties of spinach in one of these. So that's what I did. Now look at this right here. What I did. This is Swiss chard. And this is red scarlet, I think it is. And this one here is, and I planted some more because I didn't know when I did these they didn't germinate too well. There's my tray. These are way too young to be out here, but I gave it a try. Brought them out. And that is what's going on. Got them sitting on top of my supplies here. Yeah, these peppers are getting some much needed sunshine from the actual sun. I redid these here. These are cayenne. They didn't germinate too well, so I did another batch.